Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of What's Cooking at Carroll Lutheran Village. My name is Mason and today I will be making potato crusted salmon for everyone. So the first thing that we're going to start out with is our nice piece of salmon, and what I have here is Dijon mustard, and you're going to want to just put a little bit of Dijon all over the salmon just so that you coat it. That should be good. And then I have shredded potatoes. First we're going to just put a little bit of salt and pepper, and then dried chives. Mix all that up, and then just a little bit of flour, just to help it all stay together. Alrighty, so that's what we got, and then we're going to go over to the stove. Alright, so we have our salmon, and then we have our potato crust, and all we're going to do is just pat it down a little bit so that it makes a nice little patty. Put that on top of the Dijon. Form a little crust. And then you're going to take a pan, just put a little bit of oil in it, get it hot. And we're going to take our salmon and just place it down right in the pan so that it starts to crispen up. And then in a couple of minutes it'll be good to put in the oven. Alright, so then we're just going to take our salmon out of the pan, flip it over. We got a real nice crust right there, and then we're going to go take this and put it into the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. Yep. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And you guys can get this on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the cafe and the bistro. Thanks for watching.